Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Andrea. I am a reseller. I am a part-time reseller. I find things at thrift stores, Nordstrom Rack, TJ Maxx and Marshalls. I buy them for as little as I can and I sell them online on eBay, Mercari and Poshmark. This is how I make money online and supplement my income. So if you'd like to know what I'm picking up and what I'm selling, subscribe and like this video and stay tuned to more videos of things that I have been buying to resell and things that have sold for me. Today is a what sold video. I am trying to do more frequent videos of things that sold for me instead of just a one video a month. I'm still gonna post my sales recap for the month of March. It was a great month for me, but since I'm doing just a recap, I end up not including a lot of my sales. So whenever I have time to film, I will show you what sold for me that day and the day before I shipped. So I hope you like this video. If you do, please let me know. If you rather have just one single video with the best sales, that works for me as well. I am just trying to see if this is a format that you guys like. I have some sales from yesterday, April 7th, and today, April 8th. I am filming before I ship everything out. Some things are already packed and ready to go, so I'm including a photo and a photo of the labels if I think that you would benefit looking at the labels so you could recognize that brand when you go to the thrift store. So I have two eBay sales. One of them is already packed. I'm not going to show the label so you don't see the buyer's address, but this one is a sweater from France. I bought this at TJ Maxx for $3.50 and I sold it for $19.99 plus shipping, which the total came down to $29.93. And my second sale on eBay was actually a very good sale. It was this vintage bag by Marino Orlandi. I've never heard of this brand. The reason I picked this up is because it seemed very expensive and well made for me. It was branded. It had logos everywhere on the hardware. You can see here, right here, it's the shape of an M, the closure, the pull tabs. So when I saw this at the thrift store, I decided to look it up, and the sell-through rate was very good. If you're not sure how to look up the sell-through rate on eBay, I'm going to make a video and post it here for you to see. So you see the amount of active listings, and then you look up at what's sold and you see the amount of solds. So for this brand, it had, I think, 50% sell-through rate, which is great. And it was very nicely well made, and the interior also was branded. You know, the lining had the name of the brand, and it was made in Italy. I hope I can show you the tag right here. If not, I can put a picture. I think I'm going to put a picture because it will be better for you to see. So yeah, it was made in Italy, and I looked up comps, and I listed this for $89.99, and I sent a great offer once I had a watcher, just because this is a vintage style. There were lots of them listed, and I like to sell my things as fast as I can. I rather sell something for $60 now than wait 3 months and sell it for $10 more, $20 more. That's just how I prefer to run my business. So those are the two sales on eBay. I still have one great sale, but the buyer hasn't paid yet, so I'm still waiting. Hopefully I'll do a next video on that one. So I'm going to show you what sold for me on Mercari. I sold this pair of pants by Christian Siriano. This is a brand that I don't normally pick up, but I picked this up because it was wide leg, it was linen. We're going into summer and linen is very popular, and it was a size extra large. This sold in maybe 4 days for a great price for $31, and I only paid $1 for it at my favorite thrift store. I love fast sales like that. Another thing that sold on Mercari were these Etienne Egner This is another brand I pass a lot. I find their items, their leather items, I usually find a lot of their handbags, and they look very well made to me. I pass them up because they are just saturated, and it's not a very sought after brand, but I picked these up because they were at the bins. So maybe I paid $2 for them. They were brand new, you can see here, and so a great reason to pick them up. And I sold them for $20 on Mercari. Now I'm going to show you my Poshmark sales. I sold this J. Jill dress. It's a chino dress. It was long sleeved. I picked this up because it was $1. Usually J. Jill does well for me. Not everything that from J. Jill. So, but this dress seemed like a good dress to wear, you know, spring and fall. It's a little bit heavy for summer, but it was only $1, so I decided to pick it up. And it sold for $22 with discounted shipping. I think I offered the $5.99, $5.95 shipping, so I discounted $1.50 of shipping, so that's a great profit for me. The next sale is something that I'm just trying to get rid of. I bought some of those Michael grab bags for $5, and I got a bunch of Halloween stuff in 2019. That was not last year, so it's been over a year, and I am waiting to sell these out just because I want to get rid of them. But I paid less than $1 for it. Maybe in one box came, I don't know, 10 items, something like that. So maybe I have 50 cents on this. And I sent a great offer to somebody who liked it, and I think I sent a $7 offer with $5.95 discounted shipping. So my profit on this is $2.55. Of course, it's not a great profit, but I'm just trying to get rid of it to make space in my inventory. And yeah, I still made a $2 profit. It's a very easy item to photograph. And the last sale is already packed and ready to go. I bought this belt for $2.50 at my favorite thrift store. It was a Coach belt. I love that it had the CC on the hardware. So I think that brings the value up. It's just not only Coach, but it's branded. If somebody wears, they show off, you know, they show that it is Coach that they're wearing. And I listed it for $50, and I got an offer of $40, and I accepted it, and I made a great profit on it. So those were my sales from yesterday and today before I shipped them out. I wanted to show you, and I hope you liked it. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, and I hope to see you on the next video. Bye bye. But since I on the hardware